Welcome, in front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 10 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this smart band by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your smart band, make sure that the battery level on it is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your smart band. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing we need to do is to open the menu, and to do that, swipe up on the home screen of your smart band. Then scroll down, look for the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings, of course. In settings, we need to find the option called the system, and once we find it, we need to tap on it, and here find the option called reset, tap on it, then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. Be aware though, if you factory reset your smart band, it will remove all of your settings and data from it, so you will lose everything. Unless, oh no, this one doesn't have a backup, so never mind. So you're gonna probably lose a lot of data. Or the data might be retained on the account if your smart band is paired with the phone. Okay, we can tap on the check mark and wait until the resetting process is complete. Okay, and once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.